Let me start with problem number 19, page number 80 in the question booklet. Ganga and Yamuna are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses equally. Underline the word equal. They agreed to dissolve their firm on 31/3/2018, on which date the balance sheet was as follows. Asset side, you will find cash at bank, this receivable, stock, debtors, building, motor car, and furniture. So there are 6 assets other than cash at bank to be transferred to realization account debit side. Then moving on to the liabilities side, you will find creditors, bills payable, both will go to credit side of realization account. Reserve fund and capitals will go to partners capital accounts. Assets realized as follows. First information A, stock, bills receivable, furniture, debtors realized 42,600 with interest, and rupees 2,000 were recovered for bad debts written off last year. Next, Ganga took over buildings at 60,000 rupees. Yamuna agreed to take over motor car at 26,600. All liabilities were paid in full. Realization expense were amount to rupees 5,000. This is the problem given. 1 or 2 new things, not much variation. So I will work this problem. So first, page number 80, problem number 19. So we start working realization account. So format is ready with me. Let us transfer the various assets. After cash at bank, we have 6 assets. Let us take one by one. First, I will take this receivable and stock to this receivable account 20,000. To stock account 30,000. Next, debtors and building 40,000 and 50,000. I'll take that to the debit side. To debtors account 40,000. To buildings account 50,000. So these assets are closed now in the ledger. They are not existing once you transfer to realization account. Next, motor car 20,000, furniture 40,000. To motor car account 20,000. To furniture account 40,000. So I have transferred all the 6 assets to the debit side. Now I'll move on to the credit side. For liabilities, for that we have creditors and bills payable account. So I will take on the credit side by creditors account 50,000 by bills payable account 30,000. So I have transferred two liabilities also to credit side. We have left with only reserve fund and capitals that will be taken in the capital account. Now let us move on to the information. Assets realized as follows. Remember, we don't have cash, we have cash at bank. So we enter as by bank account to record all the assets which are converted into cash. So let us see information A, stock and bills receivable. Stock amount to 30,400. Bills receivable amounts to 19,000. Next, you can see debtors realized 42,600 with interest. So I'll take the next one. Amount received or realized from debtors with interest 42,600. Next, we have same information, second line, and rupees 2,000 were recovered for bad debts written off last year. So last year it was a bad debts, now it is received. So we call that as bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered is also amount received by the business. So it is entered under the heading by bank account only. Bank account debtor to realization account. Next, Ganga took over building at 60,000. So partners capital account, Ganga's capital account by Ganga's capital. She is taking over buildings, one asset at 60,000. I'll take it to the outer column amount. Next, Yamuna agreed to take over motor car at 26,600. Have a look at it, 26,600. So by Yamuna's capital account, motor car 26,600. Next, information C, all liabilities were paid in full. So all liabilities means we have two liabilities here. One is creditors, other one is bills payable, which we have transferred from balance sheet. So it has to be paid in full. So we enter on the debit side, realization account debtor to bank account, whatever the payment done by the business will be recorded here. So let me take the first one. Creditors paid in full, remember. So paid in full is whatever the balance sheet value, 50,000. Next we have bills payable. Next, after paying two liabilities, lost information, realization expenses were amounted to 5,000. So realization expenses amounted to 5,000. So we have to check now all information we have taken or not. Then we have to go for checking all information we have considered. We'll go for checking now. So we had stock here, debit side. Stock is converted into cash. Debtors was there. Debtors converted into cash. Buildings was there. Buildings has been taken by Ganga. Motor car was there, taken by Yamuna. Furniture. Have they told anything about furniture? Have a look at it now. So not received any cash, not taken over by any partner. So problem is silent about furniture. No information. We have information. Yeah, we have information here. Sorry. Furniture 33,000 that we have not taken. So let me take here. Yeah. Furniture given 33,000. So that is how we have to check. Next, creditors and liabilities, bills payable, both are paid. So we can go for balancing. So let's go for first totaling the assets. How much amount received by business by selling the assets? So we have to find that first. 1,27,000 is realized. You can also check. Then we have to total the liabilities paid. 85,000. So if you look at it, credit is more. So let us total the credit side. How much is the total amount? Then we go for balancing the same. Two lakh 93,600. I'll take the same total on the debit side. So from that, let me deduct all these debit entries. 2,93,600 minus the debit entries. $8,600. See, don't go by this answer. You have here 6,600. So we have to check and we have to write. We have to be careful. So this has to be divided among the partners in profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is equal.
So 4,300 each.
1/2. $4,300 each. This is realization profit because credit is more. So 8,600 is realization profit and divided among partners in the ratio 1:1. That is 1/2 and 1/2. Next, move on to partners capital. There are two partners. So ready with the format here. So first we have to take the information from the balance sheet. First information is about the capitals of partners. Ganga 75,000, Yamuna 60,000. So it is going to be by balance brought down. We'll be writing the capital amounts from the balance sheet 75,000 and 60,000. The fundamental thing, first one. Next, we have to look for reserves, general reserve, etc. We have one here. You can see reserve fund 10,000. So that amount to be divided here among the partners by reserve fund account 1:1. We have to take here
5,000 each.
good 5,000 each. Next, we have to look for P&L account. We don't have any P&L account on asset side or on the liabilities side. So we have to go for next only transfer entries. So here first we have On the credit side, building taken over and motor car taken over. First, Ganga took over buildings at 60,000. So that will be 2 realization account, asset taken over by Ganga, 60,000. Then Yamuna has taken over motor car at 26,600. Entry will be same. Two realization account. In the bracket I have written here, asset taken over. Next we have one more entry here, 2 partners capital account, only one. That is share of realization profit, 4,300. So opposite side, by realization account, that is the meaning is realization profit. Each one of them have got 4,300. So that we have to credit it because it is a profit for the business and for the partners also. So let us go for balancing. Credit looks more for both the partners.
84,300.
84,300.
69,300.
69,300. So let us put the same total on the credit side first, then balance each account. For Ganga, total is 84,300. Debit of 60,000 is there,
24,300.
24,300. And for Yamuna, total is 69,300. And there's a debit of 26,600 that we have to deduct.
42,700.
42,700. It is the balance amount. The meaning of that is business has paid cash to Ganga and Yamuna. So credit is more. Business has paid to Ganga 60,000 asset and 24,300 in cash. Similarly for Yamuna, 26,600 some other asset and 42,700 in cash. Next we have to move on to bank account. So in bank account, opening balance should be taken first. To opening balance brought down. For that, we have to see the bank account, cash at bank, 25,000 on the asset side. Asset shows debit balance, 25,000. Next, all are transfer entries only. So here, first entry was by bank account that is connected to various assets converted into cash. The total value of that was 1,27,000. So to realization account, assets realized, that is the money received, 1,27,000 by selling the assets. Similarly, liabilities were paid. We made an entry by 2 bank account, that is total of 85,000. It is going to be by realization account where liabilities and expenses were paid to the extent of 85,000. So there were 2 bank entries. One is by bank, other one is to bank, both are entered. Now we have to move on to combined partners. We have here 2 bank account. So 2 bank account, we have 24,300 for the first partner, that is Ganga's capital account, and we have 42,700 for the second partner, that is Yamuna's capital account. So we had only 1 bank entry here, which we are transferred to credit side, and we have completed the bank account. We had to go for totaling the bank account to check whether our answer is right or wrong. 1,52,000 is the
1,52,000.
cash received. We have to check on the credit side. Is it the same amount or not? So if the amounts are same, then our answer is right. And we have to follow all the rules. Remember, So that is 1,52,000 on both the sides of the bank account. So cash received is also same. Cash paid is also same. That completes problem number 19.